So we're at the pool area. Take a quick look over at the sunrise. We're gonna walk through the resort, headed back toward our room. This resort's different than the one at Ocean Riviera Paradise because it's a lot of small buildings typically with 4 downstairs units and 4 upstairs units. And we've enjoyed it. Over on the left here you can see a gazebo that they use for weddings. They also do weddings on the beach. The grounds are really beautifully decorated and landscaped. One of the things that I found interesting is they wind up with, there's definitely some wildlife in this area. There's supposed to be some deer that hang out here. I looked this morning as I walked out, I didn't see any. I was talking to somebody and said sometimes you'll find deer just sitting out on your patio, or laying out on your patio. Well, not many ocean view rooms. There's only 6 or 8 ocean view rooms here, which is, I guess, a little unusual. But this is like a villa style. Pretty much all the rooms are what they call garden view. You hear the birds talking in the background. I do like this time of day because it's quiet. Morning. You can see the flowers. Some of these open up just early in the morning. Get a photograph in front of the Love. Well, the E's seen better days. You see a lot of people taking pictures here. And some pink flamingos hanging out. And artificial, of course. And over there's a coati. If you saw him, not, he went behind the bush. But yesterday it was funny, there was a coati hanging out in the lobby. The other thing that we've seen quite a few of is iguanas. I haven't seen any this morning. Then they come out after it gets a little warmer. The lobby and the main restaurant area is actually at the top of that hill and just directly in front of us. We're going to walk up by that little water feature there, so we'll take a quick look at that. I can say that this resort is very definitely different than the Ocean Riviera Paradise. I wouldn't say better or worse, just different. It's a different style. It's more compact. There's not nearly as much walking to do, which my legs appreciate. Buen día. This building is the only 3-story building on the property. That's where the privilege rooms are located. And this is the building we stay in, this bottom corner right here.